Hey guys, so this is the fan that we just took down from the front living room at my grandma's house. So, yeah, here it is. They're installing the new ceiling fan right now, so when it's finished, I'll be sure to film it for you guys. So, anyways, this is the old ceiling fan, and it doesn't work, so. And it's been broken for 4 years actually. It hasn't been working, so. And after all that 4 years, the blades have somehow bent down. After all that 4 years, that hasn't been working. So yeah, here it is. Alright. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video, guys.